guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 7th day of my 40 days challenge, and thanks to everybody for being with me in this 40 days challenge journey and loving all my videos. Thank you so much. Today I'm cooking a very simple Indian dish called Palak Dal. Dal is a staple, that is lentil soup or dal is a staple in every Indian household. So I'm going to show you that simple dal recipe today. It is a staple in my house as well, so we make it every day. So there are different kinds of dals that we make. So there is tomato dal, there is cucumber dal, there is palak or spinach dal, many different kinds of dals. So today I'm making the palak or the spinach dal. So I soak the tur dal or lentils for 4 hours. Add the soaked lentils, 2 cups of water, a spoon of salt, half a spoon turmeric. I'm slipping in these curry leaves. Pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. I'm taking about 6 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Crush them roughly, guys. You don't need to make them into a paste. Just coarsely crush them. And we are done. I only wish you could smell this. This is so aromatic. Like it is. Oh my God, it smells so good. Add some cooking oil, few mustard seeds, few urad dal, couple red chilies, dried red chilies, some curry leaves, add some onions, add the crushed garlic, chili, cumin paste and mix them all well. Add a cup of chopped spinach. Add some turmeric and a spoon of salt, and cook until the spinach softens. Spinach cooks very fast, guys, so you don't need to cook it a lot. Just make sure it softens and it cooks in its own water that it leaves from its leaves. So now just go ahead, add the lentils that you cooked in the cooker. Just pour it into the like that and mix them all well. At this point, you can add a little bit of lime juice. Now we'll cook the dal for about 5 minutes and get it off the heat. There you go, guys. Spinach dal is ready. It is yummy, hot, while I go and enjoy it. So my today's 2 cents, develop good habits. Because greatness is achieved through small, consistent good habits. So watch out and be aware of your bad habits and try to change them. But I've heard this line all my growing up years that change is inevitable. So as you grow, as you age, you have to be a better version of yourself. I think you have to do a deep dive of yourself to understand what needs to be changed and what needs to be worked on, because nobody else is going to tell you or do it for you, guys. This is one thing, you have to do it yourself. So go for it. While I go enjoy my dal, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.